Hello guys. If you want your Noritz Tankless water heater to keep delivering reliable hot water and continue working smoothly over time, regular maintenance can make a huge difference. Sometimes people only check the system after heating changes, while other times they simply want to keep everything running properly before small issues begin showing up. Since a Noritz Tankless water heater works continuously with water flow and internal heating components, dust, minerals, and buildup can slowly affect performance if maintenance gets ignored. The good part is that a few simple maintenance habits can help the system stay in better condition and continue heating more efficiently. In this video, let's go through several easy and safe maintenance steps for a Noritz tankless water heater. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Noritz tankless water heater before starting any maintenance checks. Step 2. Inspect the Noritz tankless water heater for moisture, dust or visible connection concerns. Step 3. Clean around the intake area of the Noritz tankless water heater if dust appears nearby. Step 4. Check water flow connected to the Noritz tankless water heater if heating feels inconsistent. Step 5. Review settings on the Noritz tankless water heater to confirm normal operation. Step 6. Test hot water from the Noritz tankless water heater and confirm everything works smoothly again.